Hi friends, welcome to this video. Polycondensation product of dicarboxylic acid and diols are right. So this is one of the reaction you have studied in polymers that too in like terline polymer we have studied. What terline polymer contains? It contains a dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid means it is benzene ring. Here I have carboxylic acid group COOH. Right, carboxylic acid. Benzoic acid. If at para position also, if I have carboxylic acid at COOH, that we call it as phthalic acid. Right, pH phthalic acid. Right, whenever this phthalic acid reacts with diol means alcohol. OH, see, this is diol. This carbon is having one OH group and this carbon is having one OH group. Diol. So this is called ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Whenever if I take n number of this acid, phthalic acid, and n number of this ethylene glycol, it in presence of some temperature T, pressure P, and catalyst, it does polymerization. This process we call it as polymerization. Both monomers we call it as this one monomer, that is phthalic acid, and other monomer ethylene glycol. Both n number of m, they combine to form a polymer. At that process we call it as polymerization, which happens at temperature T, pressure P, and C. So here, whenever polymerization happens, see, always this bond, CO bond, will be weaker. So OH form this acid and H form this alcohol will go as minus H2O. So condensation happens. Condensation means what? Removal of water molecule. As soon as water molecule is removed, what happens? See, here I will get like this HO, C double bond O. This benzene ring remains as it is. Right. So here I have carbon C double bond O. This OH and this H has gone as water. So this oxygen will directly attach to this carbon. So I have what? Oxygen like this, CH2 OH. Right. So here I got this ester functional group, ester. So when I reacted one molecule of phthalic acid and one molecule ethylene glycol, we got this product. But here we have n number of monomers and here we have n number of monomers. So what I can do? So here OH will react to the ethylene glycol. So I can remove this OH and directly I can make a bond like this, so that the chain continues here like this. Similarly, OH, alcohol, H will going to remove and this oxygen will be continued, which forms a polymer, and I'll get a polymer. That is what initially ester was there. I'll get n number of ester linkage. It becomes what? Polyester. Right, polyester. So one of the example is, if I take phthalic acid and ethylene glycol, I get a polyester. That is what? Terline. This is used as a cloth. It is used as a cloth. Right. So commercial cloths are made up of this terline, that is polyesters. Right. So if we see the options, this polyamide, this is wrong option. For polyamide we want amines, but here we have dicarboxylic acid and alcohol. Alcohols when react with carboxylic acid, they forms what? Esters. So polyester is the correct option. Polyamide wrong. Caprolactam wrong, because these both have got amide linkage. Amide linkage means CONH linkage will be there. So here we will be having polymer like this. So both are wrong. Neoprene is nothing but the rubber. Here no condensation, it is simply just addition reaction. So this is also not the correct option. So our correct answer is what? Our correct answer is this polyester. A, B, C are wrong option. Right. Thank you.